Are you an extrovert?
No.
Cool. Do you love to socialize with people?
Yeah.
Do you feel confident while talking to strangers?
Yeah.
Hey, don't lie.
No.
All right. Wish you a very good afternoon to all the dear viewers and all my dear students. So today, I am here to discuss a beautiful topic, that topic which can transform your life, which you do every single moment, the art of selling. Or it starts with art of convincing. It starts with convincing. You need to impress everyone at every level, be it in a personal life, be it in a professional life. Selling is always there. Convincing, influencing, is negotiating is always there. You have to do it most of the time. So let's begin this beautiful topic. And I want to start this topic with the Carnegie Foundation report. Do you guys know what is Carnegie Foundation report? Do you guys have any idea? Do you know what is Carnegie Foundation report?
No.
No? No problem. So let me tell you, what is Carnegie Foundation report? 85% of an individual's success depends on your ability to lead, influence, and negotiate. One more time, 85% of your success depends on your ability to lead, influence, and negotiate. Well, only 15% depends on your technical knowledge. Yes, you heard it right. Only 15% depends on your technical knowledge. So you understand how important like the convincing skills or the influencing skills or the negotiating skill is important for your success, for your upliftment. If you want to level up, you should work on your personality, right? It's extremely important. So nowadays, this three skill, influencing, leading, and negotiating skill, is extremely important, right? That part is clear, right? Is that clear? Have you guys understood?
Yes.
Yeah, this part is extremely clear. So I want your focus right now over here. Today, respect and high value. Today, respect and high value goes to technical skill people. How much? Let me just tell you, they have moderate value today. Technical skill people, they have moderate value. Managerial skills people, a little bit higher. Managerial skill people, the people from the management, little high in value, right? And the highest value, the most high value people, they have which skill? People skill. They're extremely good with people. For your better understanding, let me give you, do you want some example? Can you show the students? Yeah. You want some example? Like, who have the people skill? You should understand this, right? Today, what we discussed, that they have the highest value, right? They have the highest value, the people skill. Do you want some examples?
Yes.
Yeah? Deepak Bajaj, Sonu Sharma, Sandeep Maheshwari, Dr. Vivek Bindra, Brian Tracy, Trevor Noah. Yeah? Then Eric Thomas, right? These are the people who have, people skill. They're very extremely good with people. So the highest value today goes to the people, those who have coaching, mentoring, and influencing skill. One more time, coaching, mentoring, and influencing skill. They have the highest value today. And I've given you the examples, right? So let's continue this topic. Stay tuned with LDG. जाओ अभी वॉशरूम से आ जाओ. Put it off.
And action.
All right. So everybody is looking for, having the most high value. सबको चाहिए people skill, है ना? हम सबको चाहिए people skill, high value. सबको चाहिए, किसको नहीं चाहिए? So इसके लिए हम लोग तैयार किए हैं एक पर्सनैलिटी असेसमेंट, जो आप घर बैठे अपना पर्सनैलिटी असेसमेंट कर सकते हो और देख सकते हो कि डू यू फॉल अंडर मीडियोकर पर्सनैलिटी और बिलो एवरेज और magnetic personality. So let's check it out. I've got No, Bonita, you're looking beautiful. And I've got super talented Rishabh with me in front of the camera, who is already holding the award, the title, Best Student of the Month. And it's over here. Please can you just focus over here?
Yeah, sir.
That's right. So he's the Best Student of the Month, Star Performer of the Month. So let's see who snatches here. Because 24th, we are organizing the Student of the Month competition once again. So let's begin the personality development assessment. Are you guys ready?
Absolutely, sir.
Well, I can see that. Are you ready, Nopalita?
Yes, sir.
All right. So my first question: if all the answers are no, which means you fall under below average personality. If most of the answers are yes, then you have a mediocre personality. So my first question to you is: are you an extrovert?
No.
Cool. Do you love to socialize with people?
Yeah.
Do you feel confident while talking to strangers?
Yeah.
Hey, don't lie.
No.
All right. Do you actually love yourself?
Yeah.
Are you interested to listen to others?
Yeah.
Don't lie. I'm joking. Are you interested to listen? Oops, that's the same question. Are you open-minded?
Yeah.
Do you embrace change?
No.
Are you interested in group discussions and debates?
No.
Are you interested in presenting yourself in front of others?
Yeah.
All right. So it seems like most of the answers are yes. So she possesses a mediocre personality. Well, congratulations. Congratulations. How are you feeling after knowing that you possess a mediocre personality?
Sir, I'm feeling very proud.
Really? Even I'm feeling proud of you. So I've got Rishabh with me. So let's find out that does Rishabh have a magnetic personality or not? So let's find it out. Are you guys excited? Yeah? Let's do it. Cut.